the vinyl has arrived. Remember last week I did a video talking about how my vinyl situation has gotten a little cluttered, a little crazy. We're starting over. These are 5-foot rolls. And a 5-foot roll at my craft source is only like $2 and something. Some more transfer tape. This is my favorite transfer tape. It's Style Tech medium tack. I think I'm going to unroll them one at a time and then re-roll them so they're color. They're just their own color. I need to do that. Okay, I did not mean to do that. So now we're just gonna be rolling this vinyl back up one at a time. I did want to separate out the colors. I intend to unroll it like that. This is gonna take a minute.